Get comfortable here. Hey guys, Levi for the Rag Company, and today's details with Levi, well, Dane bought another car and he wants me to clean it. You guys know how much fun I have cleaning Dane's other cars. Anyway, I figured out that this is the perfect time to talk about a product that I don't think a lot of people know about or actually use all that often. And that product is Colourlock's Leather Preserver, specifically Elephant Leather Preserver. So in today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to preserve your leather seats. Now, this product is very simple and very easy to use. However, a little bit goes a long way. And you're probably wondering what it's used for. Well, specifically old leather. This car is almost 10 years old, and it's a family hauler with about 120,000 miles on it. What that means is it was probably not that well taken care of. However, there aren't any cuts, tears, or anything like that that is going to damage this leather. However, it has started to shrink, and that is what we don't want. We don't want shrinkage, and that's where this product's going to come in. So, first things first, we're going to be cleaning the leather. We're going to use the Colourlock brush, we're going to be using their mild cleaner, and we're going to scrub and clean these leather seats. Then, we're going to take Elephant Leather Preserver, and we're going to take just a little bit, put it on our hands, and we're going to rub it into all of these leather top surfaces, because on this car, these top surfaces are leather and these side panels are vinyl. So the leather we want to take care of with this. Then we're going to go over the whole seat with Colourlock's Leather Conditioner. That's going to give us all the UV protection. It's also going to be able to penetrate the top coat even more and hopefully give us a little more, what's the word? A little softer skin, so to speak. We're going to make that leather a little more malleable. It's not going to be so stiff, so hard. It's going to be more comfortable, more plush, all that good stuff. Well, the good news is this leather actually feels great and it doesn't look so bad. So really it's just up to Dane now to keep this stuff looking, well, like this. And I don't want him messing it up. So Dane, don't eat in your car, please. But point is, now you guys saw, what we've done is made this leather softer, more supple. We've taken the hardness out of it that there once was. Now we still have like 2, realistically 4 more seats back there that we need to work on, but I might have Dane or Anthony do that one. But now you guys got to see how we use Colourlock's Leather Preserver. You got to see how we're pairing it with Sealant and mild cleaner. So if you guys have any more questions, make sure you drop them in the comments below. And as always, guys, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more details with Levi right here, the Rag Company YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.